Menzerna Power Protect Ultra 2-in-1 PPU is both a high-gloss finish and a silicone-free sealant. PPU removes streaks and holograms and results in dazzling deep shine while giving the clear coat surface lasting protection. All it takes is a small amount of polish on the gentle Menzerna soft-cut foam pad. Professional users can apply Menzerna PPU using either rotary or orbital machines. The best way to achieve an even finish is to cross-coat this one-step product. A polish consists of polishing minerals and the bonding substance, which allows the polishing grit to work effectively. This substance comprises oils, waxes and fats, and ensures the necessary cooling and adhesion effect on the polishing pad. The fine polishing grit in the PPU mechanically smooths the surface, decreasing in size as it does so. During the polishing process, high-quality carnauba wax is released from the Power Protect Ultra bonding substance as a result of abrasion and heat to form a protective film over the polished and therefore glossy surface. Finish by wiping the surface with a soft microfiber cloth. The result is deep gloss clear coat with a noticeably softer feel. Perfect water beading properties. The surface dries quickly and prevents adhesion. Menzerna Power Protect Ultra 2-in-1. Recommended for vehicle finishes in general and, due to the lack of silicones, paint shops in particular. Work efficiently without changing pads thanks to a product that combines two applications. Impressive shine, feel and protection, even for sensitive workshop tasks. Menzerna Polishing Compounds. Perfection in polishing.